Here we have a Sony board for the Pro camera, and one of the micro switch is faulty, and this switch is working fine, but the other one is not working. What I'm going to do is to repair this switch. Just take out the cover. This needle syringe is really good. It has a nice tip. Good thing that this micro switch can be detach the cover. Cover is out, and this is the instruction inside. It has a spring that touches on the other line to make the switch function, and this rocker's seesaw plastic is broken. It was broken, you can see, and pops out. So this is the rocker housing. The plastic is broken, so that's why it's not coming. It's not functioning well. And this switch, I'm gonna take this out. Only the rocker switch and the spring. And this switch is good, nice. Spring is good. Rocker switch or holder is good. I'm going to install it on the faulty micro switch. You need to align on this part, and of course the syringe needle is a big help for me. It has a nice tip, solid and nice tip. Now rocker switch and spring already installed properly, and now I'm going to install the cover, and done. Now it's working fine. I guys, hope you have got some idea on this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you will get updated on our next video. Thank you so much, and God bless.